This is our first meetup as the RAD Ninjas. What does RAD mean? Random Access Developer Ninjas. So it's just random spaces, random places, random developers, random lecturers, speakers, and random topics. Today we have the pleasure of having being hosted by Pangea and Saurabh. Thank you so much. Pramod, thank you so much for having us here.
First thing that we'll do is we're gonna show it to you working.
This is the CUDA variant of the fast chat backend. We'll talk through all this later. Basically, this is what we're going to be standing up on your hardware today. Go ahead. You just type. Yes, so there's a CUDA container, and it's running on a 3090 GPU.
And you can see what's the speed of the response. Again, it's running on CUDA with our quantized model.
Just a little bit on LLaMA-2. I'm assuming most folks in here are familiar with LLaMA-2. It's only been released a couple weeks ago. Immediately after it was released, it was already put up on Hugging Face, and that's the version that we're going to be using for today's workshop. The last thing I'll mention on LLaMA-2 is that it is licensed for commercial use, unlike LLaMA-1. So if anyone has startups here, you can apply this to that.
So that's our repo. The first thing you're gonna do, we're gonna start building the containers. And to do that, you will run this command. Once you run that, you should see a lot of text going on, and it's going to take a while. So everyone following? Yeah? Anyone behind? No? Cool.